Okay, so we should be on 460, 460. We're going to start with chapter 10. We're just going to do a quick introduction, okay? So it says organize it. Here are some review words. These are words we've already used. I say, you say, hold on. I say, you say. Ready? Say compensation.
Compensation.
Difference.
Difference.
Open number line.
Open number.
Regroup.
Regroup.
Sum.
Sum.
Okay, so all of these words here, we have 5 of them. We're going to fit into these blanks that we have on this page, okay? So this says 5 plus 3 equals 8. What is that 8? You look over here. What is that 8? And then I'm going to show you this one. 8 minus 3 equals 5. What's that 5? So this 8 is a word over here, and this 5 is a word over here. So this 8, I'm going to help you, is an answer. So this is an answer, and this is an answer. Which of these shows an answer that would go with 8 or 5? Show me the first one, 8. Jackson, do you think you know? Well, I want you to use one of these words. I'm not going to call on you if I hear your mouth. Jay, what do you think this number 8 is?
Sum.
Yes. An answer to addition is what?
A sum.
Very good. Sum. It's not like, can I have some of your cake? No, no, no. Sum is the answer to addition. I didn't see a hand. Okay, number 5 is another answer. What type of word is that? Caden, do you know?
A sum.
So, okay, he's saying, is that sum too?
No.
You're close, right? But this one, Caden, is subtraction. So sum is for addition, right? So you're right, it's an answer, but this one is subtraction, so it's not going to be sum. You want to take another guess? Do you think you have another one? Or do you want to pass it? Pass? All right. Gianna, do you think you know?
Difference.
Let's see. The difference. What's the difference between 8 and 3? 5. Very good. That one is interesting. So you're right. Difference is the answer to what? Subtraction. Okay. So everyone say, sum is the answer.
Sum is the answer.
To addition.
To addition.
Difference is
Difference is
the answer
answer
to subtraction.
to subtraction.
What?
Word.
Word up.
Word.
I love math.
I love math.
It's so cool.
It's not cool.
You're so cool.
It's not cool. You're so cool.
I'm so cool.
I'm so cool.
School is cool.
School is cool.
Math is cool.
Math is cool.
Popsicles are cool.
Popsicles are cool.
You rule.
You don't rule.
Thank you so much.
No,
Wow.
you don't rule.
Thank you
You
so
do.
much.
I rule.
Babies drool.
Rule.
All right. 1, 2, 3, the bottom. Number 1 says regroup. Okay, these are the words, so it's up here. So they're just saying them again. So it's regroup, open number line, compensation. Which is which? Take a gander. What do you think? I'm going to pick on David. David, let's match some of these up, dude. Let's regroup. Which one am I going to, I'm going to match, regroup with which one? Regroup is the very bottom. Put your thumb up if you agree with him. Put your hand down if you do not agree with him. Okay, so he's saying regroup. Let's look at it. Looks like they have 10. They crossed them out and they made it over here and they put, they had a 1 they put over there. Is that how we regroup?
No. It's compensation.
If I take this group and I make a new group,
Yes.
Yes. How about an open number line? I'm going to pick on Chrissy. Is the middle a strategy used to make a 10 to help add? Oh, yes. Okay, compensation, obviously the last one, and it is correct. A strategy used to make a 10 to help add and subtract numbers. That one is, remember how you have changed the number. If you add one on one side, you subtract it on the other. Okay, compensation. Yes, Maddie. Thank you for raising your hand.
I remember that make a 10 in compensation, and we put them by each other over there on the wall.
That's right. Yep.
They're technically the same.
Yep, they are.
Make a 10.
Okay, so that is just a little review of what we've been doing in math. Let's go to our lesson. Today we are going to be able to, look at this, subtract 10 and 100. Okay? Can you subtract 10 and subtract 100? Think about every day at morning on our calendar. Don't we subtract 10 every day? So when we subtract 100, you can go up there right now and point to where is my hundreds place? What is our number today again? 131. Who can touch? 131 is our days for today. Who can point to the hundreds place? Go ahead, Chrissy. Point to the hundreds place. Hundreds. I said hundreds. Boom, right there. So that's our hundreds place. Thank you. Okay? So you're just going to be able to just subtract your tens and your hundreds. Okay? All right. So model 251. Make a quick sketch of your models. Let's go ahead and draw 251. Okay? Now, this 251, I want you to draw it with 10 less. So what are you going to do? You're going to draw the same thing, but do one of these 10s go away, right? So make 200 and not 5, but how many of my 10s? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is our answer? It says 251 is what we just did. We took away the 10. I already took it away. Bye-bye. So what do we have left? 240. Good job. 241. Now, you might remember this. What is the tens place? Right there. Do you remember when I did this? I said, here's my 5. I took away how many? I took away 1. And what is 5 minus 1? 4. So that's why this 4 is there. That's my math I do. 251, take away one of the 5. Makes it a 4. So now it's 241. Okay. Now it says model 100 less than 251. So I'm going to draw 251, but one of these is going to go bye-bye. Okay? So I'm going to draw 100. I still do my 5 for my 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I still do my 1. Okay, did I take away the 100?
Yes.
Yes, I did. So what is my answer here? Box. What do I have here now?
151.
Good. 151. Okay, I had 2 hundreds. I took away 1. What's 2 minus 1 equal?
3. 1.
2 minus 1 equals 1. So that's why this 1 is right there.
Basically, it doubles
Yeah, because 1 plus 1 is 2.
the other way around.
Now, hopefully, you're noticing This is subtraction today, right? We're not doing addition. But the cool thing about addition is it's related to subtraction, right? So like Katie was just saying, hey, look at this is like a doubles fact. Because what's 1 plus 1? 2. So that's the neat thing about subtraction. They are related. All right, let's turn and do some together. Okay. All right, let's just jump down to number 1. 278 take away 10. So that 10 is right there. Take away one of those 10s. Go, Jax. Awesome blossom. 268. Okay, how about my 100 more? I'm going to actually underline it. So my 7, I put minus 10. This one is, oh, so did I say more?
Yeah.
Sorry, 278, subtract 10, sorry. So now that 2 is going to be 100 less. Gianna, what's that going to be?
170.
Good job, 178. Okay, how about number 2? It says 451 minus 10. I'm going to pick on some people. How about Ileana? This 5, take away 110. What is it?
141.
Well, look at the hundreds place. Are you going to change the hundreds place? Did you say 400? So 441?
No, yeah.
441? Very good.
I did.
All right, how about this one? It says 451, subtract 100. How about Layla? So take this 100, that hundreds place, and take 100 away from that. Good job. 350? Very good. All right, number 3 says 623, subtract 10. Nico.
630.
Oh, I love it. 613.
Dad, Nico number.
That's right, that's your number. How about 623, subtract 100? How about Athena?
100.
Very good, 523. Number 4 says 116, subtract 100. Who haven't I called on yet? Olivia, I haven't called on you yet. Very good. 106. And then 116, subtract 100. Maddie.
16.
Very good. It's just 16. Okay? All right, let's do 2 more together, and then I'll have you guys do some more.
Yes.
100. Ooh, this is a fun one. Ooh, I like this one.
Ooh.
This one's a little tricky Nicky.
Ooh.
Well, it's not, but can I just go like this and go, hey, what's 1 less?
No.
Not really. I have to think about this more in the terms of like a chart, right? So if this is 100, what's 10 less? Chrissy?
90.
Good. 90. Ooh, this one's fun too. How about 599 minus 100? Who wants to tackle that one? Layla, you want to do it? No? Okay, 559. How about Gianna?
You do it.
Well, look at this, Gianna. It's just saying take 100. So that 100, take one of them away. Yes, 499. Okay? Go ahead, and I think you guys can do these by yourself. Just take a minute or two do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so try all these by yourself, and I want you to just do them for about 2 minutes, and then we'll check your answers. All right, so here are your answers. I'm going to go kind of quick because I think you guys did a very nice job with these. All right, number 7. You should have gotten 604. Number 8, you should have gotten 880. Number 9, 668. Number 10, 513. Number 11, 262. Number 12, 386. Number 13, this one's a little tricky, Nikki. Okay, 604 subtract 10. You're going to be in the next hundreds. What's my next hundred? 500. Now, am I going to say 504? No, because that doesn't make sense. It's only 10 less. So you're right about the 500. What's our tens place, Jay?
96.
90 is correct. And your ones place does need to stay the same. So what's our ones place?
94.
4. You're going to keep your 4. So that one's a little tricky because 504 is not the answer. 594 is my answer.
I thought you crossed out 500.
No. And then number 14, you should have had 699. Okay, this one, I love these ones. These are good ones. So it says 449 subtract what? To get to 349. You had to look at what was different. Is the 4 to 3 different? Yes. Is the 4 to 4 different? No. Is the 9 to 9 different? No. So all they did was subtract something from the hundreds. How much did they subtract, Chrissy? Did they subtract in 100? It looks like it, right? They went from 4 to 3. So they subtracted 100. Okay, and then 16, blank minus 10 equals 227. Gianna, what do you have for this one? 237. Now, if I were to do the exact opposite, I hear a lot of talking. If I were to do the opposite of this one, if I had 227, add 10, what does that equal?
237.
Okay, that's what I mean when I say subtraction and addition are related. Isn't that kind of cool? I love that. All right, who got to the bottom? Oh, you guys are making my heart happy.
I finished.
All right, who did it? Who did it? Who thinks they got it? All right, Jay, what do you think you got?
I got for the first one, like it was 470 minus 10 equals 460.
Very good. All right, who thinks they got the next one? Emma, what'd you get?
560 minus 100 equals 400.
Awesome, blossom, cherry, possum. You guys are smarty parties. Love it.
I even did the back.
So smart. Smarty. Okay, let's go to the back side.
I finished
Good. All right, this is where when we have tests, we struggle the most. So let's do some of these. Let's jump to 18. It says you have 334 tickets. I need to circle. You exchange 100 of them for a prize. Circle. How many tickets do you have left? Underline it. Okay, someone set me up. What's my equation? David, do you know? You have 334 tickets, and you exchange 100 of them. How many do you have left?
334 minus 100 equals 230.
Absolutely. That's my equation. I do 100 less, 234.
That is so sad.
So what's my answer? 234 tickets.
That is so sad.
All right, let's do one more. It says number 19, dig deeper. You score 745 points in a video game. Circle it. You lose some points. I'm going to circle it. I don't know a number, but I know something. Now you have 645. Circle it. How many points did you lose? Underline it. Hey, who can set me up? What's my equation? Maddie, do you know what my equation is?
725 minus points equals 625.
Very good. I like to set up first. Okay. Now, here's what's cool about subtraction and addition. Could I also write an equation that was addition
Yes.
to find out this answer? Yeah, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add these.
No. What? I know. That makes what? Oh yeah.
So let's see if I go 745, 645, and I add them. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0. What do I do with my 1?
Put it up above the 4.
What's 1 and 4 and 4?
9.
You know thousands yet? You know thousands yet?
Yes.
What's 6 plus 4? Or sorry, 6 plus 7 plus 6.
13. That's 1,000 longest.
How are you supposed to know that big number?
1,390.
Mrs. Lehman is silly. That's not going to work.
That's not possible. That's not possible. Yeah, that doesn't equal. That is 900 minus. That's not.
Don't do what I just did. Sorry. It is correct, but I'm silly. 700. Let's just look at this. 700, 7 to 6. Uh-oh, something's different. 4 to 4. Nothing's different. 5 to 5. Nothing's different. So I'm silly. What should I just done? I should have done that first. So what did I take away?
100.
Let's see if I do that.
I just do the equation and I draw the math line on the bottom.
So let's just make sure that these two match up. So 645 plus 100. There we go.
Yeah.
5 plus 0. 5. 4 plus 0.
4.
6 plus 1.
7.
There we go.
Better.
There we go.
Woo! That was
100 points.
1,900.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and go to your next page. Tear that up with your name on it for your homework.
Nico!